So this is a OHV engine, and we always have problems with this. Let's just see how it doesn't start, and I'm going to show you something really 2 seconds try. So let's just try to prime it first. Make sure to prime it properly. So you need to hear that squeak in there, and let's just try to start it. Absolutely not. And it's doing this every single time. Here's my trick. If you have an electric starter, keep it running here, and while it's running, the starter, give it a prime. So at the same time, let's just try this. It's stupid simple, but that's what you want to do. The first thing, if you don't have electric starter, you will need to ask someone to pull on the wire, and at the moment when it's pulling, give it a prime. Now, if that doesn't work, it may happen, you will have to drain the carburetor, and if that doesn't work either, you'll have to remove the emulsion tube and clean it up. Check the video at the end. I put the 2 videos with these procedures. I will link them. And one last thing, when you prime it, I just want to show, because some people don't prime it properly. Some people just go like, so basically what I like to do is to depress the button, keep it for half a second, and let it go, not too fast, but not too slow either. That's the squeak you want to hear.